vessel. We are using double boiler method. We are placing the large glass bowl inside the vessel. Make sure the glass bowl don't touch the water. Let's start making the chocolate. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of oil inside the glass bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar inside the glass bowl. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk powder inside the glass bowl. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cups of cocoa powder inside the glass bowl. The mixture is ready. Now I'm going to put the mixture inside the silicone mold. I poured in one, I'm going to pour in this now. Now I'm going to taste the mixture. This good. Yum. Everything is done. The last step. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours. The chocolate is ready. I'm going to take out the chocolates off the mold. Look at this. Yummy. Look at this. Look at this. Yummy. Bye bye. See you.